we have a couple pieces I made on a 3D printer. We have two mag loaders, speed loaders, and one mag dump, okay, and a loaded magazine. Okay, it's fully loaded, 30 rounds. Gonna dump them out and then reload. So we have this, we have a little tapered piece in here that goes against the nose of the bullet, and we simply, I would suggest you do this over a box or some sort of catch, and just get that lined up over the edge like I didn't do, and your bullets are out. They just dump real fast. So we will get ready and then we'll show you the mag loader. So first one's ready to go. It's loaded, 15 rounds, and that's set. And here we have the second load. $30 rounds. It was a little more complicated than it should have been because I did not have a magazine in here, just had the bullets laid out and they moved on me. So we did it in 2 clips. But really nice little device. Prints only cost about $5 in material for all of it. So there you go. And the links for the files I used will be online. They're all on printables.com along with other things, and really worked out well.